myself in the eye. Goodness gracious. Story of my life. Hello, mother truckers. I'm back. First video of 2019. I am so excited to be filming. Let's get into it. Oh my god, did y'all hear my neck crack? Did you hear that? That's crazy. Oh my god. Okay. So anyways, now that we're here, let's get into what we came here for. You'll see the title says I got some hair, so you want to see the hair, huh? Want to see the hair, huh? Want to check out the bundles, huh? I couldn't think of anything that really rhymed. I have a lot of energy. So, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Juliet C or Juju. I am Juju on Instagram. She was Cameron's girlfriend. She was also in Love and Hip Hop. I personally didn't really watch Love and Hip Hop. I've never really watched it, so I don't know anything about it. But I know of her from being in a relationship with Cameron, and she is a beautiful black woman. And she started a hair company called CANDYJEWELS Hair. And I was like, first of all, y'all got 50% off sale. And baby girl been wanting some bundles for a minute now, so might as well take advantage. I did not see any reviews for this hair prior to purchasing it. I'm the type of person, I want to see a video review. I want to see the bundles. I want to know how they hold up in that type of information before purchasing. So for me, I'm just like rolling the dice. But also, I feel like from what I know of her, she seems like a woman of quality. So I don't feel like she would create a hair company and not have good quality hair. You know what I mean? Like, does that make sense? Because I'm just like, I'm gonna trust you. Like, I'm gonna trust you, sis. I don't know you, but from what I see, what you put out into the world, I'ma trust you. So, you know, I placed an order because, like I said, I've been wanting some bundles. It's been almost 2 years since I've done my big chop. My birthday's coming up, and you know, I was very conflicted because I had a sew-in a while ago, but I had a closure, and I was like, you know, I don't like the closure. I've done frontal wigs. I don't dislike them. I just have difficulties finding a good glue. I've tried Ghost Bond glue. I've tried the Aisha glue. I've tried Cling. The only glue I haven't tried yet is Bold Hold, so I guess I'll try that one day. I'm still scared because like all the other glues that people swear by don't work for me, so I just don't want to waste my money again. So I just have decided that a good old-fashioned sewing is the way to go for me. So I purchased some hair from CANDYJEWELS Hair. They had a 50% off sale for, I believe it was Christmas or New Year's, but I purchased the hair right at the end of the sale, and I'm glad that I did because my order took about a week. And the reason being, and I didn't know this until I went in to kind of try to figure out like, okay, it's taking a minute for this to process, which like a week to some people does not seem that long. That's like okay, that's normal. I'm the type of person though, I'm very impatient, and when I place orders, I'm usually expecting my processing to be done in like 2 to 3 days, okay? I'm very impatient when it comes to my purchases that I've made. That's why I do Prime. That's why I always do expedite shipping. I'm sorry, I don't care. When I shop on Pretty Little Things, I always do express shipping. When Fashion Nova took away their one-day shipping, sis, I was heartbroken. So that just goes to put it into perspective that like taking 7 days to process is not bad. That's normal. It's just that I don't prefer that. But the reason being, as I stated, is because when their company does sales, when you purchase anything honest, like through a sale, they don't send out the product until the sale is over. So say you purchased hair on the first day of the sale, you're not, like, nobody's getting their stuff shipped out until the sale is over. It don't matter if you purchase it on day 1 of the sale or day 7 of the sale. It's not getting shipped out until day 8 regardless. So that's how they run their, or that's how she runs her company. So I was like, okay, once I read that, I was like, okay, I'm chill, I'm calm, I'm not pressed no more. Got my hair, and it came in this packaging like this, okay? And then I had to cut it open. Well, actually, did I cut this open or did I pull? Oh, I pulled it open. Yeah, so it was like a little sticky part right here. So I actually haven't really taken out the hair. I took it out like when I first got it. And that was just because I was like, ooh, buy those, and I literally put it back in the case. So I don't know what all is in this baby right here. I don't remember. So let's see. Inside, you get your bundles, and then you get your receipt. You get a paper receipt. So my paper receipt, it just has my name. I ordered 22, oh no, I ordered a 20, 22, and 24. I have 3 bundles. That's usually what I always get, 20, 22, 24. Anything longer than 24 inches, I can't do it. I've tried it, I can't do it. Your girl running around looking like Cousin It, okay? It's not cute for me. So it does come in like the plastic packaging like this. This here is the 20 inch. And, oh no, this is the 22 inch, my bad. So, what's this called? Cellophane? Telephone? I don't know what it's called. I can't remember it. But basically, it comes in a little plastic packaging. It does have the gold wrapping around. I'm pretty sure underneath is just a rubber band per usual with most standard hair. The ends look really good. Oh my gosh, they're all completely straight one length, so they're not gonna be frayed. They do not look dry. I know I have not taken it out of the plastic yet, but these ends look bomb, so I'm excited. What I'm comparing this hair to is Kendra's Hair Boutique, because that's the last hair that I purchased, and that hair is amazing. Prior to then, I purchased Eunice hair, and I think that Eunice hair is a great hair company for a more affordable price point. If you can splurge more, then do so, but Eunice hair is fine for the price point, but I prefer like Kendra's Hair Boutique or something along those lines, like yeah, Kendra's Hair Boutique, Snob Life, what else? That's where I buy from. So yeah, my hair that I've purchased is Peruvian straight. I finally decided I'm just gonna purchase straight hair. Whenever I get bundles, I always like it to be sleek and straight, but I always end up buying wavy hair, and then I'd be mad that it's not super sleek and straight. So why not just buy straight hair? Granted, straight hair is never actually straight. It always waves up just a little bit if it is virgin. I know that, so don't try to flock. So this is just the back side here, just telling you how to care for the hair and such. And then you have the front side, which has Candy Jewels on it. This is the 20 inch bundle right here. So as I stated, the ends, they are trimmed so that way they're not like all over the place. They're like all kind of straight. Okay, so this type of stuff like here, these little, they're like little lint balls. I don't know what to call, you see that? This little thing right here. So I don't know what to call them. I call them little lint balls. But when you see that in some hair, that's usually some cheap ass hair. That scares me. That makes me nervous. I like that the ends look really neat, but yeah, it smells fine. Yeah, I mean, there's no shedding, which is nice. The only thing is it is a little frizzy. I think with a good deep conditioner and some oil that can be fixed though. Yeah, there's no shedding when I run my fingers through it though. So I don't know, we gonna see. Okay, so my camera overheated and died when I was in the middle of talking about that 24 inch bundle, sorry. But basically what I was saying is I was just going through the bundle to see if I found any more of those little lint balls or any like white things or anything like that in the bundle, and I did. I found one piece. The reason why those things frustrate me too is because when you find them in the hair and you take them out, it breaks the hair. Yeah, so for the most part, aside from that, I do actually kind of like the hair. It's very soft. The ends are all one length. They're clipped. They're not scraggly or anything like that, which is nice. The bundles are very true to length too. Like I said, the only thing is that the hair is a little frizzy, but once again, I think after washing and deep conditioning, it'll be fine. And I also think that once it's styled, throw some oil up in it, it'll be good, sis. It'll be fine. But I will keep y'all updated. As I stated, I'm getting my hair installed tomorrow. So I will do a video once I actually have it installed and let y'all know what I think about the hair after I've had it in for some time, just so that way, you know, y'all can see if y'all want to buy the hair yourselves, you know, because, you know, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. If I don't like it, I'm gonna let y'all know, and if I like it, I'm gonna let y'all know, and if I love it, I'm gonna definitely let y'all know. Okay, so yeah, this was just my first impressions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, so that we can stay up to date when I do upload. Also, comment down below what your favorite hair companies are, and why. And don't forget to share this video if you haven't done so already. You know, somebody out there in the world is lost and trying to decide if they want to buy this hair, and this is the first step to them figuring it out. You know, help them out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay beautiful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.